Hi guys! Our vacation starts now! Where are you going? Are you going to see Papa Tatay? And Mama? Yeah. Yes? And Mac? Yay! Okay, let's go now. Let's ride the airplane. Come here. Hi guys! Uh-oh, don't sit down on the floor. Marian and I will see Mama and Mac and Tatay Papa. Guess where we're going? The MJs are going somewhere. Say hello. Hi! Hello po. Ito po si Madam Marian. Madam Marian, saan po tayo pupunta? Hi! We arrived safely. Thank God. Hi! After 5 years, nakabalik na din ako dito. So, syempre, mag-iba ng aking accent. Welcome to London. Hi, anak. This is where your mom used to live. Right? There. Yun ang mag-asawa. Naiinitan pa sila nan sa harapan.
Mainit pala.
Hi guys. One thing I missed about London is the use of public transport because it's so easy and accessible. So I will let them try. After the bus, we're taking the overground train. Mary, say hello. Say hello, Mary. Hi. Ako po ang official tour guide ng aming group. So, dito ko sila dinala sa Tower of London at tara! Sa Tower Bridge. Iba po yan sa London Bridge ha. So, hindi yan yung nandun sa kanta. Okay? And ito ang ilalim ng London Bridge. So, ito yung nasa song ng London Bridge is falling down. Malapit na ang wedding ni Prince Harry. Hello guys! I'm here in Green Park because the weather is so nice in here. That's why people are out. Ganyan mga tao dito, sumilip lang ang araw. Akala mo mga vampira. Pero ang lamig pa rin naman. At diba pinanindigan ko ang aking British accent. Ayan, from Buckingham Palace, naglakad po ako dito sa Green Park at napaka-festive ng atmosphere here dahil kakasal na si Prince Harry bukas, pero hindi dito po. Sa Windsor po siya. Ayan, dami ng tao. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Westminster Abbey. Alam niyo naman na I'm a fan of the royal family. Diyan kinunahan si Queen. And there's my sister and my soon-to-be bayaw. At another sister right there. Marian. Look, anak. Oh, he's so serious behind you. He's on duty. Oh no. He looks like your daddy? I don't think so. So, Sisi, ano namang masasabi mo na magkasama tayo dito sa London with our little Sisi right there? Hi, Chabalo. Hi. And my brother-in-law right here, Future. Hindi kompleto ang London Adventure.
Hello guys, Roger said please.
London Eye! Hi guys! Hello! Nandito kami sa Greenwich. Alam nyo ba na ang pizza na Greenwich ay dito nagsimula? Hindi, walang basis yun. Inassume ko lang. Hi guys! We're climbing up the Royal Observatory here in Greenwich. Hi Max! Hi! So if you've watched the film Thor, you will recognize this place. Say hello. What can you say that you've reached the top? This is the peak. This is what you went here for. Hello? Royal Observatory Greenwich.
Magaling makakadalawa. Sino? Makakaisa lang.
Sipa.
Kanya-kanyang technique.
I'm so in love with you. I hope you know that I was staying cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you. I'm never sure.
Dance, dance. Da 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 dance. Di di di. Da 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 da.
Now I get angry, baby. Your love just like that, really fast.
Si JN. There's JN. We're here. We're waiting for the carriage after the wedding. Wow, balloon! Ayan mga kababayan ng mga kaibigan. Ilang sandali na lang ay lalabas na ang bagong kasal na si Prince Harry at si Miss Meghan Markle na ngayon ay isa ng royalty. Guys, ito yung station na pinagbababaan ko for 3 years when I was still working in Starbucks here in Central London. After 5 years, sobrang laki ng pinagbago. It's so big. Look, this is called Tottenham Court Road. Hi! I'm with my good friend Josh and her wife Veronica. So beautiful. We're here again in Central London. I miss them. Sobra po kaming sanay sa lamig. Prepared na prepared kami dito sa Edinburgh. Anong temperature? 10 degrees. At tingnan nyo naman ang suot ko. Yan lang. Hello! Oh, look at Marin and Mama. Pasensya na po kayo sa forma ng anak ko. Spring po ang alam namin. Kaya bubuti na lang meron kaming baon na maong. Ang baduy mo, anak. Hi mate! Welcome to Edinburgh. Behind me is the Edinburgh Castle. Yun ang favorite castle ko. So syempre wala na sa England, so Scottish dapat ang accent. Kami nagpauso ng kilt. Yan. Hi pa!
Welcome po dito sa Edinburgh. Ito po ang pinakabalik ng kapilya araw-araw. Dito kami naman tatayo lang kami dito at maghahantay kami na nag-aabot ng pagbihan. Saan ka muna ha?
This is Holyrood Palace. This is where the Queen stays when she's here in Edinburgh. But now it's closed to the public or to the visitors.
Let's go.
Morning! Okay, so we're climbing up the Calton Hill. Okay, we're halfway through. English, back to English daw ulit ako. Hirap ng Scottish accent eh. Okay. Ayan, can you see the pillars behind me? O, diba parang Athens. Tapos madami ding nagja-jogging dito, nagta-trekking. Pero ako, tinan nyo naman, nakapajama. Dito nyo na magagawa yan dahil hindi ako prepared. Okay, kung ito ay parang Athens, ito naman ay parang Mount Samat lang. Nasa Bataan pala kami, hindi ko na Scotland. There, what a view! Sobrang taas ng inakyat namin. Welcome to Mount Pulag! At yun ang aking mga honeymooners na kasama. Hey, Mount Everest! Here we come!
EXB!
Okay, so here's our Airbnb accommodation here in Montgomery. It's a nice place. See? There. You can check this out when you get here or when you go here, sorry, in Ed. Okay, so it's a 2-bedroom flat. Good for 6 to 7, I think 6 people. Here's the sitting room. There's a sofa bed there. And there's also kitchen. It's complete. It's really nice. The owner provided us coffee, tea, and lair. There's my family. It's child friendly. It's very close to the bus station, to Calton Hill. Hiya! Hey, hiya!
Hiya!
Hiya! Marin and I are here in Trinity Leeds. I'm so happy. Nandito kami ni Marin sa Leeds. This is the favorite shopping mall of my parents. Hello! Hi! It's a lovely weather here again. And we're here in York. Yes, dito nakuha yung pangalan ng New York. So, I'm taking them to York Minster Cathedral. That's York Minster behind. One of the magnificent cathedrals in the world. Hi! So, I'm taking them to York Minster Cathedral. Hi, Irene. Aich. Okay, so this is one of the magnificent cathedrals in the world. So it's really a nice weather here. Say hello, guys. So the best place to eat fish and chips is not in London, but here in Yorkshire. There, and this is Camberley. It's also local food. So dapat natin. I'm here again in Sabern Court Care Home. I loved working here. Keeping the residents up in the afternoon. Hi.
Hi,
This
how
is
are you?
Tony, my former colleague here in Elmwood Nursing Home.
That's a long time
Tell them
ago.
what do we do? What did we used to do? I mean.
Keep everybody happy. That's what we used to do.
This is Elmwood Nursing Home. This is where Mom works. I used to work here also as an activity coordinator. So I just crossed the street for Seabourn and Elmwood. Hi, we're here in Gay, Z took me to this place. She said that there's a big community of Turkish here. And look what we have! What's this? And this one?
This is the
Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, we'll eat. Visit is here. C said that that's really popular. Thank you for bringing me here, Z. I miss eating with you. Welcome to Regent Street. This will lead to Oxford Circus. This whole strip is the shopping street of London. Hi! We're here in New Bond Street. This is where you can find the high-end brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel. There you go. Hi! Welcome to Vapiano. This is one of my favorite restaurants here in London. As you can see, there's a pizza and pasta. There behind us, you can see the Tower Bridge right there. So we're going to Canary Wharf. And there's the shore that you can see. Okay, so yan, we arrived na dito sa Canary Wharf. And now we're having our what?
afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea. Okay, so that's the ferry that we're taking, going to our hotel. So behind us is the hotel, DoubleTree by Hilton, and that's where Liam is taking me. Thank you for her wonderful treat. Hey! Hey. So we're here now inside DoubleTree Hilton. We will have our afternoon tea here. Yan, I only have a few days here in London, so pangangatawanan ko na ang aking British accent. You can see in our table, we have scones here, Mars.
So what's it?
Yes, there's a champagne, so it comes with a tray, yeah.
So tea and unlimited bubbly.
Selection of pastries, so you have fruit scones in there. So it comes, of course, with a jam.
Chocolate cream, strawberry jam, very English, very traditional afternoon English tea.
Thank you so much. Ang pinaka-late. Hello. So hi. So as I've said, we have a muse this afternoon. None other than hi.
Kamusta po Pilipinas?
Okay, dito po nagtatago yung president natin. Okay, since I'm the tourist here, can you please share something about this hotel?
Well, as you can see, this hotel is in Docklands. Pero marami po itong docks.
Hi! So we're here. And this is what I miss here. Yeah. This is what I miss here. I told my friend Renee. Hi Renee. So what do you love about London?
Well, there are various reasons why I love London. Probably it's because you'll never run out of things to do here in London.
Oh,
There you go.
Hi! We're here at Hampton Court. It's a lovely weather here today. Hampton Court was where Henry VIII lived. He had 8 wives, you know that, and one was
Name! That's what we call a rose by any other word would smell as sweet. So Romeo would, why not Romeo cool?
Behind me is said to be the oldest pub. I'm not sure if it's here in Stratford-upon-Avon or in the whole UK. But look, it was established in 1594. Hi, Chombi. Are you from here, Chombi? Yes? Do you like it here? Yes? Bye! Bye, Marin! Okay. Ah, let's go. Cute.